Hi everyone, I'm Peggy Kay, and today I'm going to show you how to check your audio and video quality before you join a meeting or class in Google Meet. First, open the meeting link on your desktop or laptop computer. When you open the Meet link, you'll end up on a page with a Join Now or Ask to Join button, your camera feed, and underneath your camera feed, a Check Audio and Video button. Click the Check Your Audio and Video button. On the next screen, you can check which microphone it's using, which speaker it's using, and which camera is being used. I'm using my headphones with a microphone and the front camera, so this all looks correct. Click Next, and then Start to record a short clip of your audio and video so you can check the quality. Make sure all the check marks are green, and then you can play the video clip to see your video and audio quality. To record a short clip of your audio and video so you can check the quality. Once you're ready, click the Join Now or Ask to Join button to join the meeting. Once you're in the meeting, you can check your video and audio settings by clicking the three-dot More Options menu icon at bottom right, and then select Settings. That will show your microphone and speaker options for audio and your camera options for video. You can also change the maximum resolution from the default 360p to 720p. Note that if you create an instant meeting from the Meet homepage, you will not end up on this screen. Instead, you'll be taken directly into the meeting. If you want to check your audio and video quality, create a meeting link for later, and then open that link, and you should have this option. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.